It'll give you a good spook. You can't really see it, but like up there in the middle, there's like a crux where you're like, you kind of can't go anywhere.
They call section right there in the middle?
Yeah, yeah, that little bowl there.
That's what it looks like.
That's pretty dope, actually. It's like pole bolting it. Chinese former fisherman, ninja character, samurai showdown character.
That's special. I was watching Cowboy Bebop yesterday.
Yeah,
Dude, classic.
so good.
So good. I was joking with John and talking about the Cell Saga. That's when you mentioned it.
Yeah.
Because they were like, yo, do you know about Dragon Ball? I was like, you came out of my nuts.
Let me tell you something, young man.
Yeah. You came out of my nuts.
That just shuts down like any discussion whatsoever. Bro, Mark does this shit so fast. And man, Mark's really good, bro. He climbs up shit like great ability.
Well, he was saying he's like,
Yeah.